What's good, y'all? It's your girl Jamesia. Thank you for tuning in to my new video. Yes, I did slick down my type 4 hair. And if you're interested in seeing how I did it, then make sure you stay tuned. Before we get into the tutorial, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you're interested in seeing more from me. Alright, let's get to it. So today I'll be showing you guys how to slick down that type 4 hair. Products that I'm going to use today is the Lotta Body Foaming Wrap Mousse and the Olive Oil Eco Style Gel. So I always start with the back of my hair first. I'm going to take my foaming wrap mousse and I just put a pretty decent amount in my hand. And I just take it and put it on the back of my hair. Now that I'm done with the back, start on the sides of my hair now. So I just take my Lotta Body and I'm just gonna put that over here. I take more and I'm just gonna put that on this side. And cover whatever else isn't covered in the Lotta Body. And just smooth it all in going back. Take your brush and just brush it going in the direction that you want your hair to go in. Take your Eco Style Gel, a pretty generous amount, and just smooth it down. Add more if you need to. Get your brush. When I'm done getting it how I like it, I take like 3 more pumps of the Lotta Body and I just put that all over one more time just to make sure it's all set in. So now I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. I usually will let it dry overnight, but I have somewhere to be in about an hour, so I need to speed up. I sit under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes and I'll come back. I'm just going to tie my hair down with my silk scarf. Alright guys, so that's the end of my tutorial. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.